Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog from the great sunshine state of Florida, and another good day. Today, as you can see, well, you can't see yet, but I'm driving in a classic. This is a car, is a classic. It's like a Miami staple back in the day. This car is a 1996. So it's a nice 1996 car. I'm sure some of you guys could guess what it is. Guys, take a guess without skipping ahead. Tell me what you think it is. Put a comment down what you think it is before I skip ahead. Before you skip ahead, not me. But yeah, this car is, back in this day, back in 96, this was the top. Especially it's a convertible hard top and a soft top, but right now the hard top is on and the soft top is underneath the hard top. I'm sure I'm sitting in some bring me back to 96, because I always wanted one. I saw these cars back in the day. I was like, man, I want one of those cars, but of course back then can't afford it. I'm pretty sure I'm feeling like nostalgically kind of high, because I promise they probably be like some old strippers and cocaine dust in here. I'm just kidding. No, but this it's a 1996. But this was the top of the top in 96. I never always wanted, I've always seen it, but of course it was only like lawyers, doctors, sport figures, and the big time dope dealers had this kind of car back in the day. So, you know, always not wanted one, always liked them, but now I'm here driving one, and I'm gonna tell you, going to explain it to you why I'm driving this car today. And yes, I know I have a car problem. If this is your first time, or not even your first time checking out the Mission Fly Garage channel, go ahead, tap that subscribe button down below, hit the bell icon, ding, like, share, comment, and go back and watch out the previous videos. And let me go ahead and show you what the car is, if you hadn't guessed yet. All right, guys, here's the car. Ooh, look at that. Ain't that car clean? $1996 in all its glory. And the thing about it, the interior is also clean. Look how clean that is. Some parts that were changed. And I gotta show you how many miles is on this thing. For sunny out, so I'm trying to block it. See that? 36,790 original miles. Oh yeah, I'm sure you guys, used to people would know this. Come on. Come on. Still has the old cell phone, player. Make some calls. It's a beautiful car. All right, let me tell you guys, really, it's not my car, it's a customer's car. So you can see what it is. So it's a 1996, and it do have the double convertible top. It has a hard top outside, and then it has a soft shell convertible underneath. The thing is, with 1996, all of these cylinders start leaking hydraulic fluid for the convertible top. So the thing is, when one starts leaking and then that becomes broken, it sends the pressure to the next weakest link until all of them start leaking eventually, and they have to be replaced. So you figure 96, been a Florida car its whole life, so all the cylinders had to be replaced for the convertible top. And it's not the easiest to get into, because pretty much you have to take the whole trunk out, the lining out of the trunk, and then the sides, you gotta have to lift the top up partially to get to it. I didn't go through, show you guys all that, because I'm sure most of you guys are not changing your own convertible tops, or you guys don't care, but you know, it's still part of the Mission Flyer Garage channel. So I just want to bring you a little bit of the content anyway. So these are all the pieces, especially with these and the car being so original. All the parts. Let me see if this is a new. Nope, that's a bad one. You can see all that hydraulic, that fluid in there. So that's where it's leaking in that seal right there. So all of these parts have been replaced with all Mercedes, original Mercedes parts. And some of them have been superseded to have a thicker cylinder. On some of the other ones, some of the piston shaft is is a lot wider instead of being so thin, so it'd be able to pull it and close it down properly. So yeah, guys, so that's another thing on the Mission Flyer Garage channel, is we do a little bit of everything. I like working on older cars like this. I also, which a lot of you probably know or don't know, I have like 3 old 96 model Volvos that I'm gonna start working on as well. So I was just able to get in the technical and the service manuals for them, because I'm gonna do a complete like OEM plus rebuild on my Volvo 960s. Yeah, it's a little bit junky up here. I've been working on a bunch of stuff, so I hadn't been able to clean up as I should, but I'm definitely going to do that, because I hate leaving all my tools out of place and all junky. But yeah, guys, so that is it. We changed all the cylinders for the convertible top on this beast. Ooh, right here. Almost tripped over some more stuff. Look at that. Top of the line in 1996. As usual, guys, thanks for watching another Mission Flyer Garage video. Like, share, and subscribe. Let me know if you're enjoying the videos. Let me know if you'd like to see more of the technical side of, like, on the older cars that I work on. So I work on older Mercedes, BMW, Jaguar, Bentleys, Rolls-Royce. Did I say Volvo? Volvo. And then, of course, still my modern day stuff. And and also the Mini Winnie, which will be coming up next once I finish putting Maximus back together. I'm gonna take him. I have another garage area that I store my car, so I'm gonna move Maximus, so I have a bunch more garage room here. Like I said, thanks for watching the videos. Comment down below if you want to see more in-depth stuff on the older cars. Until next video, peace.